Welcome. So, if you are preparing for your CSIR Chemical Sciences, you must be specializing in one of the three branches, which is physical, organic, or inorganic. Now, once you identify which domain you want to keep, you must prepare for at least two of those. So, either it could be physical, organic, organic, inorganic, organic, and like physical and inorganic. So, at least two of these should be really strong to qualify your CSIR Chemical Sciences. Now, once you go through the topics, for example, you want to go through the lectures. Now, here the first series of lectures is for physical. I remove the topic on the physical and then I select another topic, let's say inorganic. Okay, so when I scroll down, I would see all the lectures which are there for the inorganic chemistry, and this would help you understand the pattern and the content that you must refer to. Again, the duration for each of the lecture is mentioned along with it. 1.5 minutes free lecture is available for each of these topics, and this is the list of, as you can see, organic chemistry, more coming forward. So these are some of the topics that you would actually decide to solve, and then the questions. So you have a list of questions which are available here. The earlier questions are from the older papers, but if you go closer later in this section, you would find recent questions which were part of your examination, right? So these are some of the model questions that would give you an insight about how to solve the questions and what basically to take into account when solving the question. So this is a 2022 question, for example, and this would give you an insight about what kind of problems are asked in the examination. So those were some of the problems that we have discussed. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on the number below. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.